In this session, we are going to see how to take a backup and how to restore a backup in Tally Prime. So we'll directly go to Tally Prime. So we have opened a company, and if you want to take a backup, so no need to even open a company. So we'll close it. So we go with company info, set a company, and we'll close all the companies. So to take a backup, it is not mandatory that you have to open a company. Even if it is open, it is fine. So to take a backup, we go with the data option. We'll click on backup. So the first option, it says backup destination path. So where you need to save your backup, that path has to be defined first. So I need to take a backup on my folder in the name of backup. So if I see to my desktop, so I've created a new folder in the name of backup. So on this folder, I required the files or a data to be saved here. So I go with Tally Prime and I'll give a specified path. So I go with a browse option. The folder has been created in desktop in the name of backup. So I go with a backup option here and I'll accept it. And again it says where the companies are being saved. So I'll just go with select from drive. So my companies is also saved in desktop Tally Prime data. So I have some companies here. So I'll just select what are the companies I want to take a backup. So I'll take all the companies, or you can go with individual companies. Once it is done, you can go with end of list here. So once it is done, Tally will start taking a backup from your Tally Prime. Once it is done, you can go to a backup file. It shows all your backups has been done in this format. It is looking like a zip format in the name of tbk 900/10,000. This are the backup which you have taken from Tally. This is a format what we have. And now if you want to restore your backup data in the same folder, then so we go to Tally Prime. So we go with the data option. We'll go with restore. So when you go with the restore option, it will ask where you need to restore it. So we go with select from drive, desktop, backup. So I want to restore my data in a backup folder itself. Then I go with the backup option. The path will be configured. And where is my data? So my data is also as in backup folder itself, but it is not in a readable format. So we'll restore the same and we'll make it as readable format. So we select the same path. So it shows all the backups which I have taken here. It also says when it has been taken, the date and time. So we go with all the companies selected and we go with end of list and we'll accept, so that backup will get restored again to a Tally Prime but in a different folder. So if you see our backup folder now, the restored data will be shown in folder format and the backup data will be shown in a zip format. So each and every data will be having this 6.900 files. Additional company.900, company.900, link mgr.900, manager.900, some tran.900 and tran manager.900. So all these 6 files are very important for an individual company. So this we have seen taking a backup by using our Tally Prime software. So this is the first method, and the second method is, so if you know the backup where it is, at present my backup is in this folder Tally Prime data. So if this is a company folders, then what you can do is you can select all, you can copy it, and you can create a new folder, and you can paste on this particular folder. A copy pasting your complete folder itself is also called as backup, and for this no need to restore it because it is already in a folder format. You can give this path so that Tally will read your data by default. But if you have taken a backup by using a Tally folder, it will be in tbk.900 format, which cannot be read without restoring the same in Tally Prime. So these are the two types of backups what we have in Tally Prime. Thank you.